Then here is the most critical thing. Now it's about our products, our inventory, right? So we are adding the inventory using this option. So maybe the team from your end can also help us, because we are still configuring a few more modules. So on inventory, we can come here on products, then products, so that we can add the products at hand. See the products we have added. Then we can add a product by just coming and typing new. Then here we're gonna choose option. This is a good. Then here we can track the inventory, how much are remaining. Maybe let's say this is let me just say right. Let me continue with my gas fridge option. Then the quantity on hand, maybe let's say we have 200 of them. So if you're not tracking, then you see that option is removed automatically. Okay, but it's to be good for us to track, so that we know how much we have left. Then here we can just remove the purchase option. We can add the purchase option, maybe if we want to allow the option of reordering. But this one, then we should be having a well-defined supplier who know that they'll definitely supply for us. Then we can undo this option. Then here, invoicing policy, always leave to ordered quantity, so that we can invoice before delivery. Then these are internal notes, maybe things like please do not sell this product, or things like do not sell that color, or things like whatever, any internal note about the product that we may need to add. Okay, so that's the general info. On the sales here, we have to configure product features. So this is where we are adding the features. So we can type whatever, all the features that this product has, all the features. Okay, but there's a challenge that I'm going to show you, whereby some of the features for the products that we have configured so far are going far beyond the given space. Here on the inventory, we can write the product's weight, the volume, customer lead time, the number of times that we need to deliver the product. Then here on accounting, Rejoice can help with configuring the respective account for each and every product. Maybe if we save this, maybe this one we can configure it to product sales. We do have so many accounts. Then if it's an expense relating to this, then we can configure the expense. Then here we can add the products photo. This is just a demo product. I'm adding this one. Then we can come and save. We save from here. And then here you see the 200 we have. There are no documents, and we haven't made the end sale. There are no reordering rules. Yeah, that's the product. So that's how we're gonna add the products. So if we want now to sell, let's now say we want to sell the products to Maxwell. We're gonna come here, gonna create a sale, then new. Okay, and then here we can configure the payment terms. Maybe it's immediate payment. Then here we can come and add a product. We can search for the product name from here. Okay, there it is. We can add another product, or we can use the drop down option, then enter the few products that we've configured. Here we can change the amounts from here, or we can just configure the product's amount from the system. So these are just dummy products I'm adding. If I change the amounts, then you can see what's happening to the total down here. But like I was saying, for example, this one which we have added all the features, it will be too long. Okay, let me save this one. Then let me kind of print so that it can generate the quotation. All right, so there it is. This is how the quotation will appear, like with the customer's details, quotation number, the date, the expiration, then the salesperson. So here, if it's a particular salesperson, like let's say for example it's Spencer, we have made this, then the salesperson will appear here. So this is what I was meaning. So the product picture here, there's some code that we need to add for the pictures to appear, and we need to add a little bit of more code, because that's how the product's gonna appear. Yeah, but basically this is how it will appear. This is the first product. So you see the next product is taking too much of space because of its features. I don't know if that one is okay with you. Yeah, then basically that's how the system will be working. We'll keep on adding a few more modules that are left for us to proceed, but maybe the team can start using it alongside the main system that you're using, so that they'll be weighing if this is something that you can use.